Yes. Just so you know, but neither the United States nor any state shall assume or pay any debt or obligation. Yeah. Incurred, yes, in aid of insurrection or rebellion against the United States. Yes. Now, this debt known as welfare payments, yes, child support payments, yeah. When the public court record says that I did not get notice of court hearings, yes. It says in section 4, yes, amendment number 14, that the debt that you've incurred, yes, for the payment of the rebellion and insurrection against the supremacy of the United States Constitution should never have been paid. And you thought it was kind of funny how I asked that question. I was like, you didn't actually give any child support payments to my wife, did you? As if myself as the respondent, the father of the five sons, the husband of Heidi, was kind of like, how could you be so fucking stupid? Now I know it sounds funny, but until you read that section 4, yes, it's an actual rebellion and insurrection against the supremacy of the Constitution. Yes, for any state to pay any debt to those that issue court orders. The child support payments are in violation of the obligations of Amendment number 14, Section 4, and I'm going to sue you for that. I'm going to sue each and every state that has acknowledged the right to child support without any of the protections of the Constitution. Now, I know there's a lot of petitioners for dissolution of marriage that say, well, I sent it to him. He's like, well, where's proof that he got it? This court record, the public court record, says that, in fact, I did not get it. See, it says mail returned unclaimed. Oh. And then there's another one 2 days later. It says mail returned unclaimed. Oh. And for Judge Rohr to issue a dissolution of marriage where there's child support payments, yes, you are rebelling against the requirements of the law. It's an insurrection, a rebellion against the supremacy of the Constitution to protect the due process rights of the respondent, yes, and the civil rights of the minors named, yes. And when you issued custody orders and court orders for child support, pooch, I have just proven in 2 million emails right now. Okay, you stupid fucks. Now, why don't you just read the court record to verify all information? Yes, that when it says, I did not receive actual notice of court hearings. Yes. And you had court hearings where you did not give me actual notice. Yes. And then you issued decree of dissolution without an actual marriage license from any state of the United States? Yes. And then you have knowledge that I did not get actual notice of the court hearings? Yes. And then I inform you, yes, that it's against the laws of the United States to not protect the rights of the respondent before issuing any sort of debt as a court? Yes. I'm absolutely sure that I can sue this county, yes, this state, and every fucking state of the United States for assuming or paying any debt or obligation incurred in aiding the judges of Clallam County in their insurrection and rebellion against the requirements of the laws of the United States. Now, for every state of this nation that thinks they have to enforce this dissolution of marriage, yes, and every judge that does know of the actual fraud of issuing it, yes, I'm going to sue them. I'm going to sue their individual states. I got to fucking talk to you for motherfucking